Welcome. If you want to keep your favorite friend right at the top of your Snapchat chats, pinning their conversation is the easiest way to do it. Snapchat has made a few updates, so if you've been struggling to find this feature, don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your Snapchat app like you normally would. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account options are located. Next, scroll a little and tap on My Friends. Here, you'll see your full list of friends on Snapchat. Take a moment to find the friend whose chat you want to pin to the top. Once you've found them, press and hold down on their name. A menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, tap on Chat and Notification Settings. This is where Snapchat lets you customize how you interact with that specific friend. Now, look for the option that says Pin Conversation and tap on it. As soon as you do that, Snapchat will instantly move that friend's chat to the very top of your chat list.